Ja oikein koukirraa nopee pidä. Kymppi. Vasen nopee miinus. Ja pitkä oikee eri. 150. Pitkä. Vasen nopee miinus.
Oi vittu. Saataiskaan sen yli. Eikö mennä tosta?
Käännä päävirrat puolella.
Oh, yes!
It's difficult to say what went wrong, but that was the slowest corner in the whole rally, and first gear 20 miles per hour, and there was an inside bank, and I think everybody went over that place, and but suddenly we rolled, and obviously it's a big shame because everything started so well.